If you save $10 every week for 50 years, you would have $26,000. But if you had invested that same $10 every week, you could have over $150,000. Same money, same effort, completely different result. Today, I'm going to explain why investing slowly and steadily is the most important financial decision you will ever make. No complicated jargon, just the basics. Let's keep it simple. Saving is storing your money. Investing is making your money work for you. When you save, your money sits in a bank. When you invest, you use your money to buy a small piece of something valuable, like a piece of a company, which we call a stock, or a piece of the entire market, which we call an index fund. Why does that matter? Because companies grow. And when they grow, the value of your small piece grows with them. You are not gambling. You are becoming an owner. The reason slow and steady wins is because of one powerful idea: compound interest. Think of it like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first, it's small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. Then that bigger snowball picks up even more snow. Soon, it's huge. Compound interest works the same way. Let's say you invest $100 and it grows by 8% this year. Now you have $108. Next year, you don't just earn 8% on 100. You earn 8% on 108. Then you earn interest on your interest. And then interest on that interest. In the beginning, you won't notice much. But after 10, 20, 30 years, that snowball becomes massive. The key is time. The earlier you start, the less you have to do. This is why slow beats fast. Fast investors try to get rich in a year and usually lose. Slow investors let time do the work. So how do you actually do this if you're a complete beginner? Use the 3-step slow system. Step 1, start small and automatic. You do not need thousands of dollars. You can start with $10 a week. The trick is to make it automatic so it happens every week without you thinking about it. Step 2, diversify. That's a big word. That means don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead of buying one company, buy an index fund. An index fund is like buying a basket that holds hundreds of companies at once. If one company fails, you are still okay. Step 3, never stop and never panic. The market will go up and it will go down. That's normal. Slow investors don't panic when it goes down. They keep investing. In fact, when the market is down, everything is on sale. It's not about timing the market. It's about timing the market. Let me leave you with this. You don't need to be a genius to build wealth. You don't need to be rich to start investing. You just need to be consistent. $10 a week, one index fund, and the patience to let compound interest do its job for the next 20 years. That is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. Slow and steady. If you found this helpful, subscribe. In the next video, I will show you exactly which beginner-friendly index funds most slow investors start with.